Ano mas gusto mo? Prevention o damage control? Sa accounting, prevention will always be cheaper, faster, and way less stressful than cleaning up financial mess. Think about it. Kung nagkamali yung manual encoding mo sa Excel at hindi mo agad napansin, ilang buwan o taon pa bago mo makita na mali pala yung figures mo. Tandaan, these errors could affect not just your bookkeeping, but up to financial decisions and even your tax compliance. Ang ending, penalties, sleepless nights, and audit headaches. Prevention means setting up systems that catch errors before they snowball. Automation tools like Zero, One Accounting, and Zoho Books can flag duplicate entries, mismatch invoices, or even late payments in real time. Damage control, yan yung panahon na nagre-review ka ng 3 taon ng spreadsheet kasi may nakitang mali after so long. Magastos yan. And when we say gastos, hindi lang yan pera. It's a waste of resources, stress, and peace of mind. Prevention saves you money, saves you stress, and a lot of energy na magagamit mo instead sa mas importanteng bagay like growing the business. Ganito lang analogy niyan. Huwag mo nang hintayin na lumaki yung apoy bago ka bumili ng fire extinguisher. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.